Everyone is telling you that you can build a website with AI using just one prompt. And yes, you can, but there is a problem. If you don't understand the basics, you don't really know what AI is building for you. So, in this series, we are going to learn the fundamentals first and then use AI to build faster and smarter. I'm a developer myself and I have been building websites and softwares for years. But this series isn't about making you a programmer overnight. It's about helping you understand enough to actually use AI properly. So, this is an introduction video. In this introduction, we will learn the fundamentals of an HTML. So, let's understand how a website is built. A website is mainly consists of four elements. Number one is HTML, and then CSS, then a programming language, and a database. Okay, so let's understand the HTML first. So I'm going to type what exactly HTML is, and we are going to learn this using an AI tool. For example, what HTML is. So HTML is simply a hypertext markup language which a browser understands how the website will look. Now let's explain definition of HTML. So in this series we are going to use actually the program itself, how the website. So this is a typical HTML code. Welcome to my website. This is my first paragraph. So you understand this h1 and h1 is closing h1. These are the two tags in which welcome to my website and this is a paragraph. So this is a typical behavior of a website, how it looks. So let's give a command to ChatGPT to build me a simple HTML page. Okay, so it's going to take some time, it's going to do the thinking, and for example this is our code index.html. Now we are going to tell it, okay, give me the file, right? So this is a step-by-step procedure. I'm going to explain how the actually the file is, how it looks like. So this is, for example, if you see here .html, this is your typical website file, how browser reads it. Let me open it for you so you will understand it much clearer. Okay, so if you open it in a browser, this is how it's going to look like. Welcome to my website. This is my first HTML about me page. So let's explain the code. So for example, if you see here doc type HTML, this is a typical HTML starting language code. The language type is English. You don't have to understand anything, this is for your understanding. H1, welcome to my website. If this is something which you see here, P is the paragraph which you see here, this is my first HTML page. H2 is the heading, again about me, and I am learning to build website using HTML, and then this is the typically a button. So in the next video we are going to learn what CSS do, and then following with what JavaScripts do, and then following with what a database do. That's it for today.